What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Factorio on your PC. So, if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game, download it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game on Steam first, before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that search for the game Factorio and you will find it. So select it, now scroll a little bit down and as you can see there is a free demo available on Steam. But the game itself is 32 euros. Now what we need to do is use the workaround we have for you. So what you have to do is click on the link in the video description where it says find game here and you will find a nice workaround. So once you have clicked on that link, you will be redirected to this website. And now we will search for the same game, Factorio. After that, you can select games on the left side. And once you have done that, you can sort by price lowest first. Now if you scroll a little bit, then you will see that this game can be activated in our country. So that is very important. And once you have clicked on the game, then you will see that this game is already available for just 10 euros and 75 cents instead of 32 euros. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And basically if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive a activation key or a Steam account, a new Steam account, to download this game completely on your PC without any problems. So this will save you a lot of money. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!